taken the tape off. I've got this still on, and all the plugs are in the bottle, and already took all the ink out of the isobaric chamber. In the very front, there's a little tab that you pull up. You can hear it snap. Now you don't want to pull up on them. You want to slide them back, and they'll slide off. Because on each side, there's little tabs that hold it to the cartridge. Now if there's any ink there, take a paper towel and blot it off. Then that's how you're going to do it. And you're going to save these. Take the front off, slide it backwards, it'll come right off. Okay, I've got all the orange clips off. Now what I can do is I can pick this up, turn it, and place it down in there just like that. In one, you know, that's the best way I found to do it. Okay, now I got them all lined up. You can hear them snap down. Okay, now, I always use a little alcohol. Anywhere I'm going to put one of the stickers, peel and stick them down, I clean that spot with alcohol, rubbing alcohol. Because sometimes on this plastic you get what we call mold release. And you stick it down and then it doesn't stick long enough and it pops up. So just by cleaning the spot that you're going to be putting it down, see it already comes on the hose pretty much where you're going to put it. Your hose bracket down on top like you have to do on all others. And you can see I'm very close to the edge on this. It's even moved over a little bit more than the other ones. But not too much, because if you go way too much, when you come over, you don't want it to touch here at all. And then we're going to go hose travel all the way over. And it goes right down here. It's a little slight angle. You're going to put that down, and this course slides out. You'll be able to slide out the center bracket if you ever want to. You don't have to peel it or whatever. And you've got your rubber interlock here, so you think the top is down. And then when you get your standoff, it's right like that, right about there. And this is it. So okay, now I've been printing with it, printing some documents, and you get the red X. It's going to tell you, you think it's going to be running out of ink. These are XXL chips. Just press OK. It'll continue and let you print. The only time you can't print is when you get cannot recognize. I'll take you over to another printer and show you that. But here you can go back to there, go to copy, standard, color, and it'll still continue to print. And by the way, this is the quality that'll print on standard. Awesome. We have American-made ink, and it cannot and will not clog your printhead. And it just comes out awesome. I've printed a lot of documents on this system so far. I have yet to replace the chip. So when you get the X, just click OK and continue. Okay, here comes another one. Very quiet. You can use the scanner. I have it in the scanner. Yeah, all the functions will work, even though the lid is open maybe a half an inch to an inch. This is full color copy scanned in. And it's awesome. There again, it's American-made ink, Ultra Pro True Color. Cannot and will not clog your printhead. Then all you have to do is open up the big plug and fill up the bottle. But before opening up the big plug, you make sure all the plugs are closed. then you can open up the big plug. Once it's filled, then you have to go along and open up any of the small plugs that you closed. Check them all. When it's running, they have to be open. When you're filling, they have to be closed. Okay, finally, I've got this. The following ink tank cannot be recognized. That's the time you have to change the chip. Not when you see the red X or exclamation mark. Do not change it. So what you do, you have to take out the center interlock. It's going to come over. Now I've played with this system. These systems have been in for some time. These are actually our prototypes. You would pick it up, and there's the chip. And with your fingernail, you can get in there and take it out. Get the new chip ready. Glue dots should be okay. Find the posts. There again, the contacts go towards the tab. It'll snap in. It's already in. I put it back in there. It says close scanner. So I put the jumper back in. There you go. Put the jumper back in. It says processing. Okay, the following genuine cartridge will say no error code. These XXL smart chips are awesome. Okay. Now let's go and find the ink level, estimated ink level. Yellow's back up full again. That's as simple it was to replace the chip. And you can continue to print. With the XXL chips, you'll get thousands of copies. So go to inkproducts.com for the latest in CIS for Canon.